the shocking sign that appears right before Christ returns. Are you watching? What if there's a single sign that signals the return of Jesus? The Bible tells us to watch for it. Are you ready to see it? Matthew 24:3-4 KJV. And as he sat upon the Mount of Olives, the disciples came unto him privately, saying, Tell us, when shall these things be? And what shall be the sign of thy coming, and of the end of the world? And Jesus answered and said unto them, Take heed that no man deceive you. Jesus warns the disciples to look for the ultimate sign, but first, deception will be rampant. Could the confusion in the world today be preparing the stage for this sign? Could global deception be the first marker that Christ's return is near? Matthew 24:5-11 KJV. For many shall come in my name, saying, I am Christ, and shall deceive many. And many false prophets shall rise, and shall deceive many. The first sign is widespread spiritual deception, false teachers, and false Christs. Are you able to discern the truth in a world full of lies? Wars, rumors of wars, and natural disasters are they just the birth pains Jesus warned about? Matthew 24:6-8 KJV. And you shall hear of wars and rumors of wars. For nation shall rise against nation, and there shall be famines, and pestilences, and earthquakes, in divers places. All these are the beginning of sorrows. Natural and man-made disasters are precursors to the end times. Notice the increase in global crisis. Could these be the birth pains of Christ's return? The greatest warning is spiritual, what Jesus called the abomination that causes desolation. Matthew 24:15-16 KJV. When ye therefore shall see the abomination of desolation, spoken of by Daniel the prophet, stand in the holy place, whoso readeth, let him understand. Then let them which be in Judea flee into the mountains. Daniel 9:27 KJV. The Antichrist will establish a covenant and then break it, committing the abomination. The abomination of desolation is a key prophetic marker just before Christ's return. Could the rise of global deception and lawlessness be fulfilling this prophecy? The sun, moon, and stars will signal the end. Have you seen the signs in the heavens? Luke 21:25-26 KJV. And there shall be signs in the sun, and in the moon, and in the stars, and upon the earth distress of nations, with perplexity, men's hearts failing them for fear, and for looking after those things which are coming on the earth. Cosmic signs, alongside earthly chaos, will signal Christ's imminent return. Astronomers may see changes, but the Bible tells us these signs are meant to awaken spiritual awareness. The gospel will be preached to every nation, another unmistakable sign that the end is near. Matthew 24:14 KJV. In this gospel of the kingdom shall be preached in all the world for a witness unto all nations, and then shall the end come. Global evangelism is a clear prelude to Christ's return. Have you seen the spread of the gospel to every nation in your lifetime? This is a literal sign Jesus promised. Persecution, lawlessness, and rebellion, are these the final warning before Christ comes? 2 Thessalonians 2:2-3 for KJV. Let no man deceive you by any means, for that day shall not come, except there come a falling away first, and that man of sin be revealed. Matthew 24:12 KJV. And because iniquity shall abound, the love of many shall wax cold. Spiritual and moral decay are signs that Christ's return is very near. Notice the increase in persecution and lawlessness. Are we living in the final hour? Finally, the sign that no one can ignore: the visible return of Christ himself. Matthew 24:30 KJV. And then shall appear the sign of the Son of Man in heaven, and then shall all the tribes of the earth mourn, and they shall see the Son of Man coming in the clouds of heaven with power and great glory. Revelation 1-7 KJV. Behold, he cometh with clouds, and every eye shall see him, and they also which pierced him, and all kindreds of the earth shall wail because of him. Even so, amen. All previous signs culminate in this visible return. The world will witness this ultimate event. Are you ready to meet him?